Good on 10th class. So in this week we have completed our chapter HTML and also we have completed our syllabus, and in the last this week we have discussed about the CSS properties of the HTML की जितनी भी CSS properties we can use to make our HTML document effective that we have discussed in this week. So in this program only I will discuss only about the CSS properties that we have studied in the chapter, and many are there. So I have mentioned some of them are in this program, and rest you can try by yourself at your in your systems, right? So firstly we have discussed about the color property, also the background color property also of the text. So in the I have used the internal style sheet in the HTML document. As you can see in the h1 tag, I have defined the background color with the hexagonal value and the color of the text. This is the color, means the color of the text, that is the yellow, and text align क्या है, center है, means जो text क्या होगा वो center में display होगा. Then for the paragraph tag, what when we will use it in the HTML document, what will be the modification, that margin of the paragraph will be 100 pixel, left margin क्या होगा 100 pixel, right भी 100 होगा. Font family means जो style है font का वो कैसा होगा, Georgia. Color of the text is brown. Border style, जो border होगा paragraph का, that is dash, and border color क्या होगा उसका, green. So this is the property that would be apply on the paragraph tag in the program. Then I have used the image tag in between the paragraph to float the image in between the text of the paragraph. So float right border style double means जो picture है वो right side होगी and जो उसका border style होगा वो क्या होगा, double होगा, right? In the end I have mentioned the h2 tag with the height and width property of the background, and the background color is cyan. Color of the text is this code I have mentioned here, and outline style is solid. Outline is to put the outline over the text, right? So after that I have closed the style tag and head section. In the body section for the h1 tag I have mentioned the text that this is a heading, तो जो h1 की modification है वो हमारी apply होगी. Paragraph tag में I have just copy and paste the one line, this is a paragraph, and in between I have mentioned the image tag. As you can see, image src hello dot jpg, height and width I have mentioned of the picture, right? So मैंने एक big सा paragraph I have just copy and paste one single line to create a paragraph, and line the last for the h2 I have mentioned the text that welcome to computers class, and h2 close, body close, and html close. Then I have saved this program with the name that is property.html. So this is the output of that particular program. As in the heading section, first heading section, I have mentioned the border color blue, I have given the hexagonal value for that, and for the text I have given the color yellow, and the text align was the center, right? So the heading is in the center of the page. Next in the paragraph I have mentioned the color brown, and the font face or the font family is Georgia, and you can see that the text is in the different style. Border style मैंने mention किया था dash, so the border is in the dashed form, and the image as you can see that it is in the right side and the text is here in front of the picture, right? Also I have mentioned the right margin and the left margin of the paragraph की राइट और लेफ्ट में पैराग्राफ की कितना स्पेस होगा. सो एज यू कैन सी दैट हेडिंग टैग में तो जो ये बॉर्डर है दिस इज अप टू हेयर, बट इन द पैराग्राफ टैग द टेक्स्ट और द बॉर्डर इज ओनली at a distance from the right side also, and at a distance from the left side also, right? In the h2 I have mentioned the width of the border like this, and I have mentioned the text hello welcome to computers class, and the color is red. Outline here I have mentioned solid, कि जो आउटलाइन है वो क्या आए, डबल आए आपकी इसकी, राइट? तो इस तरह से आप यूज़ कर सकते हो CSS प्रॉपर्टीज़ को. Many properties are there, so by using these kind of properties you can make your HTML documents more effective. So now your chapter and your syllabus is completed. From next week we will start revising the syllabus of the computer from starting, means from unit 1, and you will be given the questionnaire of the unit. But firstly just do more and more practice of the HTML, means that is unit 2, and if any confusion is there, then you can ask, but it is compulsory and it is necessary, or we can say mandatory, to practicize the HTML code, the CSS code, because it is of 25 marks in your board exams. So prepare well for this and make more and more practice of the codes, of the tags in the system, right? So this was the last program of your HTML. Just try it out at your home. Try to do all the CSS properties that we have discussed in the book. Many programs are there in your book that you can practice on the system. Thank you.